not saying. So, you think you can quit drinking? Or maybe you don't think you can quit. I'm Terry, a recovered alcoholic from EverydaySober.com, and I'm here to tell you that you can quit drinking. Quitting drinking and staying stopped is simple. I'm not saying it's easy, I'm saying it's simple. In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can quit drinking in a simple way. This is the first of a series of short videos designed to show you how I got and stay sober, so maybe you can get sober too. It's not that complicated, but it does require some serious decisions. Subscribe and check out my other videos on this channel, Everyday Sober. Also, go to my website, EverydaySober.com, for more simple and easy to follow videos and information on how to get and stay sober. So, I said quitting drinking is simple, and I mean that. For me, it was quite simple. I was a 24-hour-a-day drinker. Alcohol, me, and everything revolved around alcohol. I drove everything out of my life just so I could drink alcohol constantly. So what I'm going to share with you about quitting is from my personal experience. I'm not a doctor or trained alcohol counselor. You need to seek professional help as I did. It saved my life. Alcoholism is serious. Don't mess around. Get professional help. But keep on watching. You're going to get some great information here. So, what were these simple things I did to quit drinking? For me, I had to admit that alcohol was controlling and ruining my life. I had to admit this to my innermost self. Now, I never disliked alcohol, even to the end. I always loved the feeling alcohol gave me, but I hated what alcohol was doing to my life. My alcohol abuse had done serious damage to myself, my family, my career, and my financial status. My drinking even got me into legal trouble. None of this made me quit drinking until one day I almost lost my life. At that point, something inside me switched, and I finally realized I absolutely had to quit drinking. So I admitted alcohol was a problem. Now I had to take the most difficult step of all. I had to get help. That meant I had to get the professional help I needed to get through detox safely. I had to forget all those reasons I told myself and others why I could quit drinking on my own, or why I didn't need help. I had to just stop fighting and allow someone to help me. It was that simple. I admitted to my innermost self that I could not manage my alcohol and that it was controlling my life. And then I got help. So maybe you're like I was and couldn't stop. Or maybe the consequences of drinking are horrible, but you just keep on drinking. Maybe everyone around you says you need to stop, but you just can't, or you don't even want to quit drinking. So you must want to stop. Not because your family, friends, or work, or even a judge wants you to stop. You must want to stop. If you really want to stop, the reason why is not important. You don't need to surrender to anyone or anything, but you do need to admit to your innermost self that alcohol is controlling you. Look inside yourself. Decide you really, from the bottom of your heart, want to quit drinking. It's honestly that simple. However, to truly want to quit drinking is not easy. Maybe you don't want to quit, but you have to quit for one reason or another. This can be difficult, but it's not impossible. That's why getting help is so important. A program of recovery can help you get the tools you need to get sober and stay sober. The next thing you need to do is forget all the reasons why you don't need or want help. After all, how is trying to quit on your own worked out for you? Suck it up. Go get some help. That's it. Like I said, it's simple. Not easy, but simple. So you think you can quit alcohol? Well, you can. But you really need to want to quit. There are steps you need to take to be successful. They're not complicated, but they're necessary. In my next short video in this series, I'll show you the next steps and how I got sober and how you can get sober too. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Or give me a comment below so I can learn from your perspective. I'm also trying to stay sober one day at a time, and hearing from you helps me not only with my sobriety, but helps me carry the right message to others. Also, check out my website, EverydaySober.com, for an Am I an Alcoholic quiz. There's also a forum there where you can talk to others discreetly about alcohol and many other sobriety tools. I'm Terry, a recovered alcoholic from EverydaySober.com, and thanks for allowing me to try to carry the message of sobriety.